Okay, we're back in the back in my shed in the Harmony project, and after lots and lots of trial and error, what I have here is a brand new dovetail. And what you can see here is that I've added 3 times dowels, or the shims, sorry. And I've sanded and chiseled, and sanded and chiseled, and sanded and chiseled. And sometimes I went too far, and sometimes, I was actually able to pull this neck in and down so far that I had to shave off the front of this, the tail of the dovetail. It's called the tail. It's actually a tenon. But this is actually curved a little bit too, so it's not straight. But I had to bevel it so that it would pull into the guitar and wouldn't show. And I cleaned off a little bit of the wood here, or some of the shellac or varnish or whatever this is, so that I can re-glue it. But for now, you'll see that she goes together really nice. Okay, and I've got it fit to the contour of the guitar. Before it was pulled away, almost a 1/4 inch. What had happened was that this mortar, we reset this neck last year, and the neck, you can see that the tail from the factory was really chewed up. I mean, it was ground and filed and chiseled, and whoever threw it together just made it fit, and then glopped a lot of glue in there. And what had happened is that dovetail joint wasn't really in there solid. What was holding it together was glue. And the tension from the strings eventually pulls the neck forward, and it pulled it right away from the back of the guitar here. You can actually see this thing. It's set back now nice. And with a new truss rod, the old truss rod was broken. It was actually rusted out. With a new truss rod, I'll be able to pull the neck back just a little bit, ever so slightly, if we get some string tension pulling it forward. But the neck angle is set pretty nice. I wish it was back a little bit more, but I'm satisfied with it. And right now I'm coming right down to the base of the bridge, and that's without the fretboard. I reworked the fretboard of the old. I got to put some more pins in it, but it's a little warped, and I'll have to clamp it down. But what I have is this is from my buddy John here. This is a Martin blank, and it's a piece of ebony, and it's nice and flat, but it's the same height. And if I put that on there, you can see it's nice. It's a nice fit. We've got the neck bent back just ever so slightly, not much. I won't have to shim it. And right now, we're looking at coming into the. I'm just hitting the bottom of the bridge, the bottom of the saddle of the bridge. Once the frets will bring me up another 3 millimeters. And I'm going to have a guitar that's going to have some real nice action, very low. What's neat about Harmonies is that they just have incredible sound. They don't sound like any other guitar. If you pick up a Harmony, even an old junker, and strum it, and then pick up another guitar, don't care what kind, and strum it, you're going to see the difference. I mean, sometimes the tone isn't desirable to some people, but it is different. And it's kind of cool. But anyway, so far so good. So I'm just about getting ready to glue this puppy back on, and then I'm going to have to work on the frets and get that thing back together again. But so far the project is moving forward. I don't intend to refinish this guitar. It's what it is. It's an old guitar that sat around campfires and got in bar fights and whatever. I'm sure I could fix it up and give it to my new friend Davey up there in Canada, who drinks Molson's. Here's to you, Dave. This is my sponsor, Patch Blue Ribbon. But anyway, enjoyed making the video, and keep watching as the progress moves forward. Thanks for watching.